Mezze is a B2B ordering and customer service platform specifically designed for the food manufacturing industry.
We've been looking for a partner like Mezze for many years now.
Whereas before there was 3 sets of hands touching an order, whereas now it's none. In reality it's just the customer logging on, placing their order.
So our mission is to revolutionise how the food manufacturing industry operates. So for far too long, software solutions have been generic and just not fit for purpose.
Having Mezze in place and launching this project when we did, it's allowed us to, keep that growth going, but not have to bring lots more people into the team.
Recruiting, even on minimum wage now, would be £30,000 to recruit somebody. Mezze saved us 4 people of doing that. So you can put them figures into there, you're over £100,000.
Our background is in B2C software products, and we saw a need to bring that level of quality and user experience into this industry.
From a customer journey and a customer experience point of view, we're getting a lot of good feedback.
They know what we're aiming to do and know how to get there, and from our experience have always delivered.